In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Google Chrome. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Once you're in Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Bookmarks and List. Then in the top, you'll see Bookmarks Manager. Tap that. And then again, you are going to tap the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Export Bookmarks. You can then choose where you would like your bookmarks to be saved to. So I will save it to desktop and name it Kyle's Bookmarks. Then tap Save and you're complete. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.